Okay, today I gotta check hesitation, misfiring code on a 1996 Dodge truck with 5.2 liter engine. And I got that connector hooked up right there, and we'll check the code. Now it's scanning. It's got DTC 4 codes. So let's read it, see what we got. He wants me to scroll it. Okay, P0300, that's a random misfire code. P0301, that's misfiring on cylinder number 1. P0302, that is misfiring cylinder number 2. P0303, cylinder number 3. And we're back to random code. So next thing we'll do is we're gonna erase the code. Erase the code. Erase. Yes. It's erasing the code now. Now the codes are erased. Okay, so we just did a replacement of the spark plug, and I found one of the coil wire is shorting out. So let's fire it up. As you can see, there's no more light there, right? Okay. It says still erased. So we'll check again for the code. Rescan, enter. Okay, it says DTC. Let's see what you got for DTC. Wow. Enter. No codes, right? No codes.
So it's okay.
So according to this scanner, the problem is fixed. So the only thing we have to do is to go for a road test and see if the hesitation comes back during acceleration. If not, we'll just put a PCB valve and we're done for today. Okay. This is the cost of the misfiring code, on this 96 Dodge 5.2 liter engine. The coil wire is shorting out, and it's shorting out to the exhaust. You can even see that white spot there on the exhaust manifold. Okay, so when we take it for a road test, the engine runs good, and the engine light, service light, didn't come on anymore. So this is fixed. It's a good fix. Very good. Thanks.